Okay, let's get started. In this brief video, we're gonna install the latest stable version of Laravel to work with, which is gonna be the version 8. Now, if you're using older versions like 5.7 or 6 or any other versions for that matter, don't worry because Scout, the package that we are gonna install in the upcoming videos to work with Elasticsearch, is incompatible with almost all versions of Laravel from 5.3 above. If you are using any versions of Laravel which is lower than 5.3, then you must upgrade your Laravel version in order to use this tutorial or any other ones, to be honest. Now, if you are using PHP 7.2 and above, chances are that you are already have subsequent packages mentioned here. But in order to run Laravel on your system, you need a local server as well. You may already know about Vagrant or XAMPP or Docker, and I'm going to tell you that if you're using any of them, it's okay. Right now, I'm on my Mac and I'm using Docker in order to install and work with Laravel. And in order to install Laravel, you're gonna need Composer as well. If you want to install Composer globally on your system, you are just gonna need to visit getcomposer.org/download and follow along these simple steps in order to install it on your system. Now that we have everything set up, let's install Laravel itself. I'm gonna type composer create dash project dash dash prefer dash dist in order to get the latest version, and Laravel slash Laravel, and I'm gonna name it sample. If you need, you can name it any other thing that you want. I'm gonna hit enter. For the sake of this video and not stalling you, I'm gonna pause the video until it's fully completed. Okay, we are done. We successfully installed Laravel. Now, if it's getting too long for you, don't worry because my system is loading from cache and yours may take a little bit longer. Now that we installed it completely, we can go to our choice of IDE. I'm using PHP Storm. I can go to my project files and I can test this out. We are going to run PHP Artisan. Yes, we have PHP Artisan and I can run PHP Artisan dash dash version. And I am using Laravel framework version 8.24.0. Congratulations, you now have successfully installed Laravel.